My real life compared with Inside Out and Back Again. Hello, readers. Here is a video. Here are the sentence stems for those who want them up front. I am like ha because. 2, I am not like ha because. You may choose to write about Inside Out and Back Again or a choice book. And click reply to another student for 3. Similarly, how are you? We are so proud of you. Ignite. Remember the changes in Ha's life. Chunk into pieces. Inside Out and Back Again. Ha has only ever known Saigon, the thrills of its markets, the joys of its traditions, and the warmth of her friends close by. But now the Vietnam War has reached her home. Ha and her family are forced to flee as Saigon falls, and they board a ship headed toward hope, toward America. Inside Out and Back Again is the moving story of one girl's year of change, dreams, grief, and healing. Written in rich, free verse poems, this moving tale follows a young Vietnamese girl as she leaves her war-torn homeland for America in 1975. But living in a new country isn't easy for Ha, and she finds adapting to its strange customs ever challenging. My parents had no idea what 3 older brothers can do to the simple name Ha. Mother tells me they tease you because they adore you. She's wrong, but I still love being near her, even more than I love my papaya tree. I will offer her its first fruit every day. There's a papaya tree. Chew on it. There is a Jamboard link below for these 2 questions. Good readers make connections between the story and their real life. Choose Ha or a different character. 1, how are you like the persona? I am like the persona and that I also. And 2, how are you not like the persona? I am not like the persona and that I have not. All right, use the Jamboard. Click on the link. 7Q3, post-it, name, like ha, how, not like ha, how. 3rd, we will practice conjunctions. Furthermore, another, not only but also, in addition to, moreover, additionally, likewise, similarly. This video shows how we can add to our ideas, using transitions to add information. Okay, transitions and research writing. Research is looking into things. Click reply to another student or me and use a transition word to build on their ideas about theme. Like 3, similarly. Okay. Thank you, writers. Dr. Stacker. P.S. If you have questions, please email me at spps.org. 4, all questions answered well. 3, all questions answered well enough. 2, all questions answered, not always researched well. 1, all questions answered, but the answers do not work with the text. And 0, no attempt. Please attempt. You can learn anything.